guys, today I'm going to show you how to make an eraser case. First you'll need pen paper and then cut it like this, a line, scissors, colored pencils like this, any kind of color, and another paper like pen paper, and a ruler, and a glue. I'll get the glue. Okay, here we have the glue. Uh-oh. Just get it out. Okay, and then you need this. Put a glue on it. Don't think it won't. I'll get the other glue. First, I want to show you my kitty. Come back here. Hey. Come here. It's not scary. Aw, here it is, little guys. It is so adorable. It's a boy. He was surprised when I made him buy that. Okay, come back here, little kitty. Okay, you have to stop this thing now. Okay, here's our kitty. And its name, Snowflakes. Oh, he loves me so much. When he always sleeps, he always hugs my hand. This right hand. He is so adorable. He really loves going all around, and I want to show you this. See? Okay, it closed his eyes and oh, and I love him so much. I don't want to cook him. My dad said he will cook it, and I don't think I'd like that because it's so adorable. I love it so much. And then look. Actually, his other eye is having an accident. And I love letting him play everything. Except for my toys. Okay, come here. Just scissors. Okay, I'll be right back, guys. Don't worry, it's not going to be scary. I think he's afraid. Okay, guys, just show you him. Hey, don't you go anywhere. Okay, now. I'm looking above the world. You stop hitting me now. I'm Sama and Who did say that word? Press this button. Press it. Okay.